Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, a compact SUV that continues to evolve with a perfect balance of practicality, technology, and affordability. Whether you're a city commuter or a weekend adventurer, the Corolla Cross might just be the vehicle that checks all your boxes. Now, Toyota has taken what people love about the Corolla sedan, reliability, efficiency, and affordability, and blended it into an SUV form that fits modern lifestyles. For 2026, Toyota hasn't reinvented the wheel, but it's made subtle yet meaningful updates that make this crossover feel more refined and capable than ever before. Let's talk design first. On the outside, the 2026 Corolla Cross carries forward that familiar Toyota styling language with a bolder, more chiseled front fascia. The grille has been slightly reshaped, giving it a more aggressive, athletic look. LED headlights are now standard across all trims, and the taillights have a sleeker signature that adds to its road presence. Depending on the trim, you'll see 17 to 19-inch alloy wheels that give it a more upscale stance, especially in the XLE trim. Under the hood, Toyota keeps it simple and reliable. You'll still find the 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 169 horsepower, paired with the CVT for smooth acceleration and impressive fuel economy. But the real star of the show is the hybrid variant, which has become even more efficient for 2026, with a combined output of around 196 horsepower thanks to its electric motor assist and standard all-wheel drive. The Corolla Cross Hybrid now boasts an estimated 40 to 42 miles per gallon combined day, making it one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Step inside, and you'll notice that Toyota has elevated the interior quality with better materials and improved sound insulation. The 2026 model now features a standard 8-inch or available 12.3-inch touchscreen with the latest Toyota audio multimedia system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and higher trims include a wireless charging pad, premium audio, and even a digital instrument cluster. Toyota's commitment to safety continues with the latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite, which includes lane tracing assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and more. One area where the Corolla Cross really shines is practicality. You get over 24 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, and the rear seats fold down almost flat for extra versatility. Rear seat legroom is solid for this segment, and with improved ride comfort, it makes for a smooth experience whether you're running errands or heading out on a road trip. In the end, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross continues to deliver exactly what people expect from Toyota: a value, reliability, and smart features, all wrapped in a compact SUV that's perfect for the modern driver. Whether you go for the gas version or the more efficient hybrid, the Corolla Cross offers a solid blend of comfort, capability, and everyday ease. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest rides. Catch you in the next one.